Hi everyone and good evening. Welcome to 2018. Hope everyone had a great Christmas and New Year. Sure everyone did by the looks of things. Sam and I are obviously in Brisbane at the moment doing a little bit of work, and with the big news that we got a baby on the way in April. So so we didn't do our overseas trip, our annual overseas trip. So getting some time away in the next couple of weeks, but staying around and made the most of it and got some really great work done over the Christmas period, and even as much as today until Friday, until we head off for a little family holiday before the baby comes. So looking forward to it. So guys, just wanted to touch base, welcoming everyone to 2018. So I think it's a really good time of year, and if you haven't already done it, I would have advised people to do it last year, is set your goals. Now, set those goals. There's a number of different factors when setting your goals, be it financial, personally, or things like losing weight, or lifting a certain amount of weight in the gym, or running a marathon, whatever it is. Set those goals. Set them high. Don't sell yourself short. This is a really good time of year to readjust yourself and start the year afresh. So set the goals and try and make sure that you stay accountable to the goals. Now look, I got a little system where I try and stay accountable basically every week, and if you stay accountable and don't let those things slip away, you find you're a much better chance of hitting your goals and your targets, and reward yourself along the way, whether that be like a weekend away, a trip, or whatever's personal for you. It might be a dinner or something like that. So stay accountable, and there is an old saying, if you improve 1% per day, that's 365% per year. So most of the people that subscribe to this and watch my channel here, realistically you're playing the long game. So it might not seem much when you're setting your goals and doing your weekly targets, but at the end of the year, when you sit down, all those little weekly targets lead to one big goal. And I'm proud to say that we hit ours this year. So we've set some pretty lofty heights this year as a little family. With Sam now now finished up work in the maternity leave. So we got some pretty big goals ahead of us. Second thing, second was stay accountable. Already covered that. Third thing, guys, is look, I've really noticed as well lately, get on the phone. Look, I've got a second phone, which is my private number, which not many people know. It's amazing the amount of people that have inquired about properties and even inquiring to sell their property, that are sending emails, don't want face-to-face meetings. Guys, you're going to get a lot more in 2018 by face-to-face and getting on the phone and actually asking questions from people, and you will get deals done by doing this. I see too many people hide behind text, hide behind the internet, hide behind Facebook, hide behind Instagram. Get out there and really get on the front foot. You're going to get a lot more done. It's one of the oldest things. Like we live by these things these days, as far as for information, and we live on them. You go to a coffee shop, everyone's head's down here. That's why realistically the space that I'm working in, which is the social media marketing aspect, everyone's attention's there. But if you want to get deals done, if you want to set those real estate goals, if you're an agent looking to make some sales, there's nothing better than getting out there and, getting out in the marketplace, getting on the phone, meeting and greeting people, and not hiding behind text or relying and thinking that Facebook or Instagram or the internet's going to do it for you, or email. Go and do face-to-face meetings. Guys, just to finish lastly, look, I do get asked a lot about agents about my social media and the social media marketing that we've been doing over the last year, that I've been doing with Mitch, who has been instrumental, who takes care of a lot of my social media, except these Sunday nights. So all those updates you're getting, I've got a team behind me. It's a rather large team of people and a team of support. So, we've now structured that company, or moved into that company, where I will be able to help agents with that. So if you are in a marketplace and are wanting to make a change, we'd love to help you out. So please feel free to give us a private message or DM myself and Mitch, and we would love to meet up with you and let you know how we could help you dominate your marketplace. That is directly for real estate agents that do tend to watch this. Get in touch and we would love to help you out. Also, I've got some big news coming soon with a new venture that we're doing as well. I'll keep it pretty quiet, but look, in the next month, it'll probably be in February, we'll announce as there's a bit of a new business going on realistically within the social media marketing that we're doing. So very excited. And it's going to just take the level of quality, the level of, basically real estate marketing to another level with regards to, what we can offer our clients. And there will be other agents involved in that, or other agents, there'll be an opportunity to get involved. So keep your eyes peeled. It's a new venture that I've been working on over about the last 2.5, 3 months. So this new venture will be great, and I'm really looking forward to adding some more value to everyone that watches. Guys, have a great weekend, or whatever day it is. I keep forgetting what day it is with this early part of the year. Remember, 2018 has started now. We're well into it. Forget about the celebrations and the hangovers. So if you want to have a successful year, start on the right foot. You want to get out of the blocks early. So, make sure you're planned. For people that are watching, looking to buy or sell, have all your property goals lined up, because the year has started, and before we turn around, it'll be Easter and it'll be quiet again in school holidays. So that's when the market does get quiet, around that April sort of time. So April 1st this year is Easter Sunday. So, between now and basically Easter, there will be a sprint. It's a shorter sort of time between school holidays, which is the end of January and the start of April, which, Easter being early this year. So guys, good luck for 2018. I hope you set those goals high, and I'm sure you'll smash them. And I'll see you next week. Thank you.